Dear students, I am Dr. Rajeshwar Shettar, Associate Professor, Department of Commerce from Jigaluru Women's College, Dharwad, affiliated to Karnataka State Akkamahadevi Women University, Vijayapura, for BCom second semester under the subject Financial Accounting. We are going to discuss the fire insurance claim. Under this, we are going to discuss meaning of fire insurance, some important terms, steps and problems. In this fire insurance claim, dear students, you are going to get 2 marks minimum 2 questions, 5 marks 1 problem and 15 marks 1 problem. Let me start with the meaning. Meaning of fire insurance. Fire insurance is a contract of indemnity under which, in consideration of the premium paid, the insurer undertakes to reimburse the insured for any loss incurred on happening of an uncertain event. It's a claim amount given to the businessman when there is a fire occurred in the business premises. ಅಂದರೆ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಂಕಿಯಿಂದ ಅನಾಹುತವಾದಾಗ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಆಗಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ನಷ್ಟವನ್ನು ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪನಿಯವರು ತುಂಬಿಕೊಡುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಫೈರ್ ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲೇಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೇವೆ. Salvage stock. Salvage stock means the stock saved from fire. It's a stock left out after fire. The salvage stock is usually retained by the insured at an agreed value. ಸಾಲ್ವೇಜ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಎಂದರೆ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಷ್ಟವಾಗಿ ಉಳಿದ ಸರಕುಗಳಿಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವೇಜ್ ಎಂದು ಕರೆಯುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಫಾಲೋಡ್ ಇನ್ ಅಸರ್ಟೈನಿಂಗ್ ದ ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲೇಮ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್. First step, we have to prepare the trading account to ascertain the gross profit. Second step, gross profit percentage. Gross profit percentage is equal to gross profit into 100 divided by net sale. Third step, preparation of memorandum trading account to ascertain the value of closing stock on the date of fire. And the last step, preparation of statement to ascertain the fire claim amount. Now we'll discuss one problem. Dear student, I'll read the problem, just clearly understand the problem. Fire occurred in the business premises of a trader on 1/7/2019. That's the date of fire. And the entire stock was destroyed. However, the books and records were saved and the following information was obtained. Stock on 31/12/2017, that's the opening stock 35,000. Stock on 31/12/2018 40,000. Purchases for the year ending 31/12/2018 80,000. Sales for the year ending 31/12/2018 1 lakh. Purchases from 1/1/2019 to 30th/6/2019 37,000. Sales from 1/1/2019 to 30th/6/2019 60,000. Prepare the statement of fire claim to be presented to the insurance company. First, we have to prepare the trading account. On the debit side of the trading account, first you have to take opening stock, that is 35,000, purchases 80,000. On the credit side of the profit and loss account, sales 1 lakh, closing stock 40,000. With the help of this, we have to ascertain the gross profit, that is a balancing figure to the extent of rupees 25,000. Then the next step is we have to ascertain the gross profit percentage. Gross profit percentage is equal to gross profit into 100 divided by net sale, that is 25,000 into 100 divided by 1 lakh, that is equal to 25%. Next step, we have to prepare memorandum trading account, that is from the beginning till the end, till the date of fire. On the debit side of the memorandum trading account, first opening stock, that is last year's closing stock 40,000, purchases 37,000, gross profit, that is 25% of this year's sales, 25 by 100 into 60,000, that comes to 15,000. On the credit side, sales 60,000, closing stock, that is a balancing figure. What is that? Value of stock on the date of fire. Then the next step is we have to ascertain the claim amount with the help of statement. Statement of fire claim. value of stock on the date of fire 32,000. To this we have to deduct salvage stock, that is stock left out after fire. In this problem there is no stock left out after fire, then the entire amount of claim is equal to 32,000. This is a way to ascertain the fire claim. Then second problem, a fire occurred in the premises of cotton stores on 31/12/2016. That's the date of fire. Stock was destroyed and salvage stock was rupees 4,500. This is the stock left out after fire. Then there is a information. The following data available from the books. Stock on 1/1/2016 34,500, that is opening stock. Sales for the year 2016 1,92,000. Purchases for the year 2016 1,26,000. During the past 5 years, the average gross profit of sales was 25%. With the help of this, we have to ascertain the amount of claim. In this problem, we have to prepare directly the memorandum trading account. On the debit side of the memorandum trading account, first we have to take opening stock 34,500, purchases 1,26,000, then the gross profit, that is percentage 25/100 into sales 1,92,000. On the credit side of the memorandum trading account, buy sales 1,92,000, then the closing stock, that's a balancing figure. This is value of stock on the date of fire, that is 16,500. And the last step, that is statement of fire claim. How to prepare this? Value of stock on the date of fire is 16,500. To this we have to deduct salvage stock, that is stock left out after fire, that is 4,500. Then the balance is 12,000. This is a amount of fire claim to be taken from the insurance company by the businessman. This is a way to ascertain the fire insurance claim. Thank you.